Okay, I'm going to talk about shelves. When you are slicing your print in SLA, you want to avoid shelves. If I were to have shelves on this, all of the entities within my print would be parallel to the build plate. You want to avoid that because then you have the risk of peeling and distortion. And so notice how everything on this print is not parallel with the build plate. That's what you want. Okay, this was designed so that we could print it so it would have the best adhesion and we didn't have to put supports on the bottom. Also, you have a choice. There's one item that you can have parallel with the build plate or not, and that's the top. If you want it to be a real smooth surface, you can have the top parallel with the build plate, but you have to make it exactly parallel, otherwise the last layer is going to look really weird because you're going to have one layer and then you're going to have this trying to be another layer, and it would just be obvious that it was 3D printed. This is a little less obvious, but it is 250 microns, and this is a when it's installed, it's not a visible place, so these layer lines are fine. So, moral of the story is, no shelves. Thank you.